So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,988 followers. I don't still have the amount of followers right here. So all we need to do right now for us to confirm the followers have started coming in for us to actually refresh. How do we refresh? We don't need to draw it down like this, and boom, you can see we currently have 4,031 followers, which means that these followers have started coming in. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to grow TikTok followers very fast in 2026, right? All you need to do is to make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this platform. They call it growbeta.net. The link is in the description. Tap on it to take you to the website. As you can see right here, when you come to the platform, this is exactly how it looked like for the first time. You know, the first thing we need to do is for us to create an account. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do that. All you need to do is to come down right here. You can see the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up? Tap on it. And once you tap on it, it will bring you to this place. Create a username. While creating your username, make sure you write it together. Do not give space. Come to this place, put your email, and come to this place, put a password, and come here and confirm your password. After confirming your password, the next thing you need to do is for you to just come and click on the sign up right here, and your account is going to be created easy peasy, right? So this is exactly how to create an account in this platform. But due to because I already have an account, there's no need for me to start creating a new account. So all I need to do right now is for me to log into my account and show you guys how to use this platform in order to use it to boost your TikTok followers. So let's go. So guys, right now I've logged into my account. As you can see right here, when you log into the account, this is exactly how it look like, right? The first thing we need to do is for us to come to this category right here. Can you see the category? Just tap on it and scroll down and look for TikTok followers, right? And right here you can see TikTok followers, right? You know, and I like using this particular one, this TikTok followers 10% drop fast delivery new, right? I just need to select it, and once you select it, come to this service right here. Can you see this service right here? Just tap on it. I like using the first one, so I select the first one. Then read the description. Description is actually what describes the service, right? So right here they say the quality is worldwide profile, the start time is instant, and the speed is 20k followers a day, which means you can actually get up to 20,000 followers a day. Right here they say the refill is 10 days, and in the important note they wrote, when the service is busy, the starting speed of the process may vary. Do not place second order on the same link before your current one is completed in the system. So what it actually means right here is that when you place an order as size patient, if it delays, maybe it's because there are many orders in the system, but you shouldn't place another order on that same link. Just as size patient, your order is going to deliver easy peasy. This place they wrote link is where you insert your profile link, right? So in case you don't know how to copy your profile link, let's go to TikTok. Let me show you guys how to do that. So let's go. So right now I'm on my TikTok, right? And if you want to copy your link, the first thing you need to do is for you to come to this arrow up here. Can you see this arrow up here? Tap on it. And once you tap on it, come down right here. You can see this copy link right here. Can you see this copy link right here? Just tap on it and your link is copied, easy peasy. But before then, I want to show you guys something. So right here, let's come back. Before we place an order in this platform, we had 3,988 followers. I want you guys to mark it because we are going to come back for you to actually see that these followers are going to increase. So let's go back, right? So all we need to do right here is for us to come right here and paste the link that we copied, and boom, I've pasted the link. The next thing is to come to this quantity. Quantity is the amount of followers you want to purchase. So right here I'm just going to be putting 100, right? And once you put 100, the next thing you need to do is for you to come to this submit right here. Can you see the submit right here? You don't need to tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can see right here they say your order have been received, right? So all we need to do right now is for us to actually exercise patient, and these followers will start coming into this account. But before then, I want you guys to understand that whatever we are doing in this platform is not free. You need to pay money for you to actually get these followers. So how then the phone account in this platform is very easy. All you need to do is for you to actually come to this straight line up here. Can you see this straight line up here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come to the left hand side. You can see this add phone right here. Can you see the add phone? Just tap on it, and once you tap on it, right, you are going to see a drop down right here. Can you see this drop down right here? Just tap on it. You will see two payment options in the platform, which is Koda Pay and manual. Don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how to use both of them. So if you want to use Koda Pay, just select Koda Pay, come to this amount, put the amount you want to pay, and click on this pay right here. And once you click on it, Koda Pay is going to actually tell you how would you like to pay, right here the Koda Pay said how would you like to pay with debit card, pay with bank transfer, or pay with bank. If you select debit card, put your card details right here and click on pay. Well, if you want to pay with bank transfer, come right here, click on bank transfer, read all this instruction right here and tell them I understand instruction, then click on this continue right here, and the Koda Pay is going to provide a account number that you're going to be making payment to. All you need to do is to make payment is to this account number. You don't need to do anything, and the Koda Pay is going to actually update the payment automatically on your GrowBeta balance, right? So let me show you guys how to use manual payment. So if you want to use manual, all you need to do is to come select manual and read the instruction right here. Manual is actually easy. Right here they say kindly make payment to the account number below. Right, you can see the account number, you can see the beneficiary. They said do not send below 1,000 naira because it won't be refunded. And right here they say provide proof of payment screenshot with your username so that your payment can be confirmed and completed. What you need to do right here is for you to actually make payment to this account number right here and send them your proof of payment. How then do you send proof of payment? Right here they said click on this link to get directed to our admin, contact us, or click on this WhatsApp icon right here. Can you see this WhatsApp icon right here? Tap on it, it will take you to their WhatsApp and send them your proof of payment and your Grow Better username, and they are going to confirm your payment. Easy peasy. So this is exactly how to actually fund the account in this platform, right? So let's go back to TikTok to actually confirm if these followers that we just purchased are actually coming in right here. So let's go. So you guys remember before we placed an order in this platform, we had 3,988 followers. I don't still have the amount of followers right here. So all we need to do right now for us to confirm the followers have started coming in is for us to actually refresh. How do we refresh? We don't need to draw it down like this and boom, you can see we currently have 4,031 followers, which means that these followers have started coming in. So if you want to confirm, what you need to do is for us to come to this inbox right here, and once we come to this inbox, you can see 99 plus new followers, and once we tap on it, you can see this follower just coming in now 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 1 minute ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, 2 minutes ago, no. Right, so let's just go back again for you to see, and currently it is now 4,032 new followers, right? So this is exactly how these followers keep coming until they complete the amount of followers that you placed, right? It's easy peasy. So all you need to do is to come to this platform, create an account, do exactly the same thing I did, and you'll be able to get these followers. So thank you all for watching, and see you guys in my next video. The link to the website is in the description. Tap on it to take you to the website. So